Hi everybody, what news to share? We have got our overall rating from CQC and it's an incredible outstanding again. An incredible outstanding again, listen to that, it has been achieved and I am so thrilled on behalf of everybody in the organisation to have received that. We know, as you know, that everybody has played a part in delivering that rating. Everybody in clinical services, in the corporate services, supporting all aspects of the trust have delivered that. Everybody's played their role and I could not be prouder, I really couldn't be prouder. When the CQC told me, I was literally as emotional as I was before because I knew that to achieve it again was very, very special indeed. So enormous thank you from me to all of you. But what's important is to also share with you that whilst we've got an overall outstanding rating, we've stayed the same in terms of the domain ratings. So we have an outstanding for our caring domain, which is really important to us, and our well led. And I'm really pleased to say that with some of the improvements they saw in the core services in mental health, that as well as community services being rated outstanding overall, we've now got mental health services rated outstanding overall as well. That is fantastic to have both aspects like that as outstanding. I know everybody has played a role in that. So clearly lots to celebrate and clearly lots to share with our stakeholders about what you've done. But I was really pleased to look at what they said in particular about the work on our culture. We have got now a lot of validation about the culture of this organisation, the openness, the transparency, the engagement with all of you. And what's really important about that is people now want to replicate it and learn from us. And I think that's a tremendous compliment, but more importantly than that, it's what's driving us to make a difference and deliver that outstanding care. So I'm really pleased that the CQC reinforced that once again. Also very proud to see their focus on the equality, diversity and inclusion work that we have really took to centre stage in the organisation. They absolutely get the work we're doing there, the steps we're taking, and the fact that we're striving to be a very inclusive organisation, and again one that they saw and others are seeing across the country too. So much in there. I couldn't tell you all of it because you need to go and look at it yourselves. Please do take that time to have a look at the summary and look at your core services too, because you should be pausing for a moment and taking time to celebrate. Of course, there's things we still need to improve, so that's important too. As ever, if you're an outstanding trust, as we know, it doesn't mean you're perfect. It just means that you're willing to learn, and that's what we've demonstrated. So there are things that we need to focus on, so things like our 136 health-based place of safety, we need to do some more work around the environment there. Our medicines management needs to have some more focus, and clearly we've got some issues with some of our waiting lists and the effects of staff changes. But I'm confident we can do all that. The CQC is confident we can do all that. So again, just be rest assured that we'll be on those with our action plans to make sure that we can demonstrate that we've heard them and listened to. And as ever, we'll be a learning organisation. Next year will be no different. We'll strive and keep striving for our keeping everyone safe domain. Whilst we didn't achieve outstanding for safe, clearly we are improving all the time and we will continue that in 2020. So I just want to say thank you. I also want to tell you how privileged I am to lead this organisation. I remain very proud and privileged to lead it, and I value all the support that you give me day in, day out. So thank you very much, and make sure you're looking after yourselves.